Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. We're going to talk about similar figures and scale factor. Here we go. I have a diagram here, and it says in the directions, refer to the figure below. Pentagon ABCDH is similar to, and hopefully by now you know that's the similar symbol, is similar to Pentagon DEFGH. So the small pentagon is similar to the large pentagon. Number one, find the scale factor from ABCD, that's the large one, to the small one. Find the value of x. And then these questions here about some related angles and sides. All right, so pause the video and take a piece of paper, and I would advise you to redraw the two pentagons so that they're side by side and turned the correct way so you can really look at the similar corresponding parts. All right, good luck. Alright, the first thing is a pretty good strategy here, and that is to redraw the shape. So notice this small pentagon right here, I have redrawn over here. And I've also transferred over some of the measurements that we know. Okay, we know that GH is 4 because there it is right there. And we know that HD or DH is 10, and that would be the flat side or the longer side of the smaller pentagon. So now let's ignore this shape right here and concentrate on the large pentagon compared to the small pentagon. All right, number one, it says find the scale factor of Pentagon ABCDH to Pentagon DEFGH. All right, so what we have to do is we have to compare corresponding parts. So for the scale factor of the large one to the small one, in that order, and notice that this 10 side in the large one relates to the 4 of the small one, okay, in that order, 10 to 4. Now when we reduce this, or at least think of it as a ratio, 10 over 4, and I can divide each number by 2, that would be 5 to 2. Alright, now let's look at the answers as given. Alright, there it is. It's a 5 to 2 scale factor ratio. Number two, find the value of x. Well, I have 10 compared to 4. Now we simplified that to 5 over 2. So let's use the ratio of 5 over 2. And notice how 5 comes from the large shape. So large shape compared to small shape equals the large shape side, x, compared to the small shape side is 10. So x over 10. All right, let's cross multiply. That would be 2x equals 50. And x must be 25. All right, so we write a proportion, cross multiply, and solve. Number three, if angle EDH is 12, angle EDH is 12. EDH is 12. Let me put that right there. 12 degrees. Measure of DCB is 96. DCB is 96. Right there. And BC is 4. BC is 4. Find the measure of GFE. All right, GFE is this angle right here, and notice how that angle does correspond to 96. So there we go. Remember that all the angles in similar figures are congruent. Each angle matches up. Now FE is this short side here, and that corresponds to the 4. That means, again, we can write a ratio using the scale factor. 5 over 2 equals 4 from the large pentagon, and I'm going to call this y, so we don't reuse our x variable there. We're going to cross multiply and get 5y equals 8. Divide each side by 5, and that will give me 1.6. Now the measure of angle BAH, let's look at the diagram. BAH is right here in the large pentagon. That corresponds with the 12 degrees. Remember, all angles are congruent. Alright, well, I hope that was a little bit of a challenge for you, and thanks for watching. Share this video with others if you think it would help. Thanks a lot. Alright, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. Alright, study hard and take care.